What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to talk about the TikTok algorithm. I'm going to show you how to get on the For You page. I'm going to show you how to go viral on TikTok. I'm going to go over everything on what I've learned in TikTok in the past few months. So I'm super excited to bring this video to you guys. If you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and basically I teach people how to make money online with affiliate marketing, but I also have a ton of videos on how to grow on YouTube, how to grow on TikTok, and how to make money passively. So if you are interested in learning that, please subscribe to the channel, comment on this video, helps me grow on YouTube, and I would really appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right. So there's several things I'm going to go over within this video, and basically obviously how to get on the For You page, what exactly is the For You page, and I'm going to talk about batch theory, hashtag step method, and viral sounds. Okay, so basically all these go together. I'm going to talk to you about like how the algorithm works so you can use it to your advantage and basically grow on TikTok, whether if you're just trying to grow as a brand, an influencer, or as an affiliate marketer. Either way, I'm going to show you how the algorithm works. Okay, so first of all, what is the For You page? Okay, so the For You page is probably one of the most important things on TikTok. Okay, so basically it's the TikTok recommendation feed. It pretty much personalizes your feed based on what you like, what you interact with, stuff like that. Okay, so basically if you're going through the For You page and you're into like how to make money online, you're gonna see a bunch of TikToks based on how to make money online. Or if you like funny videos, you know, if you go through the For You page, it's basically going to show you a ton of funny videos, stuff like that. Okay, so For You is very powerful because if you can get on someone's For You page, then they're, you know, more than likely to subscribe to you, or I'm sorry, follow you, and then, you know, eventually go to your YouTube channel or your Instagram or whatever you're trying to funnel them to. Okay, so all right, there's these two things here. Okay, there's For You and following. Following means someone's already following you and they're basically seeing your feed. Okay, just like on Instagram, if someone's following you, they're gonna basically see your stuff. All right, but For You is like it's the same thing as like the YouTube recommendation page or like the Instagram Explore page. Okay, that's the exact same thing. So obviously, it's very powerful to get on the For You page. Okay. So that's basically what it means, okay? All right, so let's talk about batch theory, okay? Let me talk about batch theory. This is probably one of the most important things I'm going to talk about today. So what batch theory means is your content is shown to a small group of people, okay? So for example, if you create a video and you post it on TikTok, it's going to show it to a number of people. I'm not sure how much, but let's just say 1,000 people, okay? It's going to show it to 1,000 people. Now, if your engagement rate is high enough, it's going to show it to the next batch of people. So let's just say, for example, it shows it to 1,000 people, and that post does well. Then it's going to show it to another 1,000 or maybe 10,000. And then if that does well, that's going to show it to 50,000. And if that does well, then 100,000, then to 1,000,000, then to 10 million. And that's basically what that means. Okay, so I spelt this wrong real quick. Let me fix this real quick. So that's what that means, okay? So it's very simple, but you have to, if you can understand how that works, then it's really easy to really just blow up your videos on TikTok, okay? And the cool thing about TikTok at the moment is it's very easy to go viral because it's a new platform and the algorithm isn't like, not a lot of people are advertising on it, so it's really easy to just blow up your videos, okay? But if you can understand this method, you're gonna see a lot of videos do very well, okay? So basically it's gonna be based on engagement percentage, okay? So like I said, if it shows it to 1,000 people and your engagement percentage is high, then it's gonna show it to another batch of people until it goes viral, okay? That's basically what batch theory is, okay? Now, the engagement percentage is basically people engaged divided by people reached, okay? Now, I don't know the exact percentage. TikTok has not released this information, but we know that, let's just say, it shows it to 1,000 people, and let's just say 100 people are engaged, whether they like, they share it, whatever that is, that's basically what it means, okay? So let's just say it shows it to 1,000 people, 100 people engage. That's a 10% engagement rate, okay? So on Instagram, a good engagement rate is about 10 to 20%. So we can kind of, say it's about a good percentage is about 10 to 20%, okay? Now, here's something else, okay? So people engage means a few different things, okay? So we have 1 point. So if someone likes your video, okay, that's worth a point. If someone comments, that's worth 2 points. If someone shares that video, that's worth 3 points. If someone watches the full video 100%, that's 4 points, which is very powerful on YouTube as well. And then 5 points is if someone rewatches like the video multiple times, okay? Because what happens at that point, I don't know if you've noticed, if you watch a video, let's just say 3 times in a row, okay? It loops around 3 times, and the little blue share button shows up. Let me see if I can find this here. Let me see here. This button here, okay? If you're watching a video multiple times, this button here, okay? This little share button, it'll like show up. It'll basically tell you to share this video, okay? So it's very powerful. That's if you watch a video multiple times. If you notice that, go to any video and just watch it like 5 times or 3 times. You'll notice TikTok will literally want you to share the video, okay? So it's very important that you can rewatch the video. Now, this is basically goes into right here, okay? Into people engaged. Now, like I said, we don't know exactly the numbers, but we know a structure of how it works. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. I know it's a little confusing, but basically, if it shows it to 1,000 people, we want more people to engage. That's it. Okay, if we can get more people to engage, it's going to batch it to another 1,000 people or 5,000 or 10,000. And it just goes viral from there, just a snowball effect. Because obviously TikTok wants to show people videos that people are engaged with, they're going to like. Let's just say they show it to 1,000 people and like one person engages, that's not gonna go viral at all. Okay, so it's simple, it makes sense. All right, now how can we get videos that get people to like them, to comment, share, all that good stuff? Okay, obviously it's got to be something that's going to catch their attention, right? TikTok people are going through the For You page very, very quickly. Okay, so here's a few tips I have for you. So you got to catch their attention within the first second. Like, this is like crucial because people are going so fast on the feed that you need to catch their attention, whether it's like you doing something crazy or you screaming or you're doing something to catch their attention, okay? And whatever it is, for me, it's make money online. So it's kind of hard for me because I have to get really creative with what I'm doing. I'm not doing, funny videos like most people do on TikTok. I'm trying to funnel them to my YouTube videos. So, I'll do crazy videos where I'm like throwing, I'm throwing money at the camera, or I'm just like, I'm catching their attention, okay? Whether it's doing something on video or having like a catchy headline, okay? That's another way you can do it, okay? So have a catchy headline that's going to keep them watching the whole video, like watch till the end or something like that, okay? It's really going to help the engagement, the algorithm kind of get your videos to go viral, okay? Another thing is participate in viral challenges, and I'll talk about that here in a little bit towards the end of the video, but that's going to be another big tip, okay? Now, this is going to be very important as well, okay? And this will help you go viral. It's using hashtags, okay? So a lot of people don't know how to use hashtags correctly. And this is called the hashtag step method, okay? So most people, what they try to do is they try to pick the hashtags which are going to just blow them away, okay? Meaning like hashtag love, hashtag TikTok, hashtag YouTube, those really big hashtags that people can go on TikTok and, if you do rank for any of those hashtags, you're going to blow up. But the thing is, you're not, because if you're just starting out, you have a small following, TikTok's not going to show you on those big hashtags. So what you got to do is do the step method, okay? And this is very similar to Instagram, okay? So basically, you find hashtags that you can rank in first, okay? So for example, if you're under 1,000 followers, target hashtags within 50,000 to 250,000 views or follows or watches, whatever that is, okay? So basically, if you're creating your description, you're going to put your hashtags in the description, and you're going to basically put hashtags within, this target range, okay? And then basically as you get bigger, then you can start, targeting bigger hashtags between 250 and 1 million. And then, you can kind of just keep stepping it from there. Okay. So for example here, this is kind of one of my thing here. So, my description was how to make money online by watching other people's videos. And then here are my hashtags. Okay. I'm not sure exactly how many views these had, but I know I use these for a certain, for a reason. Okay. So internet money, PayPal me, easy money, how to make money online. Obviously my TikTok is based on how to make money online, which is my YouTube channel, right? So I'm trying to get people to watch my TikTok videos so they can watch my YouTube videos, right? So this is kind of what the hashtag step method is, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, leave a comment below and I'll explain it more, okay? All right. Last thing here is viral sounds and challenges. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So if you're on TikTok, you would understand that there's a bunch. You'll notice like a bunch of videos that have the same sounds. Well, some of these sounds go viral, and if you can use these sounds to your advantage, then TikTok's gonna like promote you even more because you're using those viral sounds. Okay, so the way you do that, let's just say you find a viral challenge and all the sounds sound the same, and you're like, okay, well let me see how I can use this for my business, right? Or for whatever you're trying to do on TikTok. You can click on this button here, this little button here, okay? And basically it'll ask, do you want to use this sound? And basically you can record yourself using that sound, okay? So let me see if I can pull this up for you on my TikTok here. Let's see if this will work for you guys. So I got my phone out. All right, let me see here. So basically, I'm going to find a viral sound that I'm going to use. Let's see here. Like for example, let me see if I did one the other day. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay. This is a viral sound that I did. Okay, it was just a challenge that everyone was doing. So what you do is you just click this here. Use this sound. Hopefully you guys can see that. And basically you can record yourself. So it's going to use that sound. Okay, so then you can use that sound and post it, and that's how you basically do that. Okay, and that's very powerful because if you're using a viral sound, then TikTok's going to like that. All right. So anyways, that's basically how the TikTok algorithm works. That's, how to get on the For You page. If you can get on the For You page, it's extremely powerful because, once you're on the For You page, that's going to show it to more people, and you'll just go viral. I had a video the other day that hit 200,000 views. Let me see if I can show you that real quick as well, because that was it was a simple video. Like it literally had, it was this one right here, okay? This video here was just showing some income that I made. And you can see here, let me see if I can, hopefully this is focusing, about 200,000 views, okay? You can see it all came from the For You page, okay? It's crazy. So you can see how fast you can grow on TikTok. That was just one post out of like my hundreds of videos that I've made. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you. If you have any questions on how the TikTok algorithm works, please leave a comment below. And then guys, subscribe to this channel. It helps me grow on YouTube. If you have any questions on how to make money online or doing affiliate marketing, anything like that, please comment below as well. And if you do want to start like making money online passively, click on the first link in the description. It's going to show you how to start an online business, passively. So if you're looking to, travel the world and quit that 9-to-5 job, but you want to make money passively and so you can have more time for you and your family, then click the first link, guys. That's basically how I make money online, which is affiliate marketing. So if you do want to learn more, click the first link in the description, and it's going to take you to a page where it'll show you how to start. Okay. Anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value, and we'll talk to you soon.